Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn types of conjugation. Types of conjugation. Okay, in last video, I explained what is resonance. For to show the resonance, this conjugation is the very important condition. Conjugation. So, what is conjugation? How many types of conjugations are there? Let us discuss now. Okay, for resonance I will provide the link in the description. You can refer through that. Here, what is conjugation? Generally, a molecule having alternative multiple bonds. This is a general concept of conjugation. Generally, a molecule having alternating multiple bonds. Multiple bonds. It may be double bond or triple bond. Multiple bonds. So that molecule said to be in conjugation. Okay. So if the molecule having alternative multiple bonds, then molecule said to be in conjugation. In conjugation. This is the general thing. For example, here I am taking one carbon chain. Notice here I am not keeping any hydrogens. Here one double bond and one bond I left. Here one double bond. Here one double bond. This is the alternative pi electron system. Okay. So this molecule is in conjugation. This molecule is in conjugation. Pi electrons not only with another pi electrons, not only in conjugation with another pi electron, there are many types of conjugation. Let us discuss now what are the types of conjugation types. In that first one, pi conjugation. Pi conjugation means what? Here pi electrons are conjugated with another pi electrons. Okay, see, this is the example for pi conjugation. Okay, so these pi electrons conjugated with these pi electrons and these pi electrons conjugated with these pi electrons. Okay, so this is the example for pi conjugation. So the delocalization takes place like this. Then you can write like this. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, initially the double bond here and the electron deficiency creating on this carbon. Then double bond created between these two here, and here negative charge. Okay, so here pi electrons are in conjugation, alternative multiple bonds. This is one type of conjugation, pi conjugation. Let us see second one, pi and positive charge conjugation. Pi positive charge conjugation means here pi electrons are conjugated with a positive charge. For example, here I am giving double bond. Okay, so these pi electrons are conjugated with this positive charge. So what happens here? Here electron deficiency is there, no? These weakly held pi electrons will shift onto this between these two carbons. Then what happens? CH3, CH, the double bond is being removed here. CH, the double bond created between these two carbons. Okay, now electron deficiency created on this carbon. Okay, here a positive charge in conjugation with pi electrons. Okay, this is one more type of conjugation, pi positive charge conjugation. Okay, similarly here pi negative charge conjugation. Pi negative charge conjugation, similar to that. Here I am taking the same example but with negative charge. Okay, here it is negative charge. Okay, here each negative charge act as 2 pi electrons. Each negative charge act as 2 pi electrons. So these pi electrons will form bond here between these two carbon. Then to satisfy the tetravalency, these pi electrons will shift onto this carbon. Okay, so the resonance like this, a negative charge appearing on this carbon and the double bond forming between these two carbons. Okay, this is one more type of conjugation, pi and negative charge. Here pi electrons, here negative charge. This is pi electron, positive charge, pi electron, here positive charge. Okay, next type here, fourth one, pi odd electron conjugation. Pi odd electron conjugation. Odd electron nothing but here free radical. Okay, so I am taking one example like this. There is a double bond. Okay, this is odd electron, free radical. Free radical. Now this free radical in conjugation with this pi electrons. So what happens here? Just assume this pi bond undergone homolytic cleavage. Then what happens? Two free radicals will form, no, like this. So here one free radical, the one bond will remains there, sigma bond. Here one free radical, then carbon free radical. Okay, on 3 carbons there are 3 free radicals. Okay, this is one electron and this is one electron. These 2 electrons will form a bond between these 2 carbons. So here the odd electron present on this carbon, there is a single bond, and between these two double bond, because one free radical, another free radical forming a bond between these two. Okay, like this. Okay, so this system is pi odd electron conjugation. Pi odd electron conjugation. And the next one, very important one, pi lone pair conjugation. Pi lone pair conjugation. Okay, so in this type the pi electrons are in conjugation with lone pair. For example, I am taking here chlorine. Okay, chlorine bearing 3 lone pairs. So these pi electrons are in conjugation with lone pair. This lone pair of electron form a bond here. To satisfy the tetravalency, if you will not shift this pi electron on this carbon exceed tetravalency. Around this carbon you will get here 5 bonds. So to satisfy the tetravalency, these pi electrons will shift onto this carbon. Here lone pair also acting as 2 pi electrons. Lone pair also negative charge acting as 2 pi electrons, and lone pair also acting as 2 pi electrons. Okay, then here negative charge appeared here, single bond, because bond is shifting to that carbon. The double bond forming between carbon and chlorine. Okay, remaining 2 lone pairs. This chlorine gets positive charge. Okay, so this is one more important type of conjugation, pi lone pair conjugation. Total 5 types of conjugation: pi system, pi positive charge system, pi negative charge system, pi odd electron system, and pi lone pair conjugation. Very important. To learn about the resonance perfectly, we must have idea on these conjugation types. Okay, thank you so much for watching.